In this video, I am going to explain about extrude feature. Please subscribe my channel for regular update videos. Okay, let's start Unigraphics. File new. Okay, change background. Change it to white color. Then go to sketch. Select a plane, XY plane. Okay, just make one rectangular. Right click, finish sketch. Okay, then go to insert design feature, extrude. The first one is select curve. So here is the selection toolbar. I choose single curve. Okay, extrude 50 mm. If I select open curves, the extrude will be created as seat body. In case if I select closed curves, so the extrude will be created as solid body. Okay, the next one, direction, specific vector. So I select Z direction, so the extrude will be created in Z direction. In case if I want reverse direction, I can use reverse direction. Okay, then next one, limits. It's just a start and end point only. Now start point is 0, right, and end point 50. If I change the start point from bottom 5 mm, I can change. So now start point 5 mm from bottom. If I change 10 mm, can change to 0, change to 0. Then end value, this up to you, how much you want, you can change. Okay, then here have some more options. Symmetric value, until next, until selector, until extend, throw on. I make another one solid body, I will explain. Okay, I just make one datum plane, insert datum plane from this face 150. Okay, insert sketch in task environment, select this plane. Okay, I make one more rectangular, right click, finish sketch, right click, fit. Okay, then go to extrude, select these curves, 100 mm is okay. Then I make another one extrude from this face, so I select extrude from this face edge. So in the selection toolbar, I select face edge, I select this face edge. Now 100 mm, right? So here symmetric value means, so the symmetric value means extrude will be created two direction similar value, top and bottom. If I choose 50 mm, so the top and bottom extrude will be created 50 mm. If I choose 250, it's similarly extrude. If I choose 300, it's similarly extrude both direction. So it is a symmetric value. I change the value, starting point change to 0. Now end value is 300, right? I change to 60 and just double click, edit. Okay, I change to here until next, so the extrude will be extend until the next object. Here the next object face, right? So the extrude will be automatically extend up to the next solid body. Okay, if I choose until selector, if I select any face, so the extrude will be extend until the selected face. Okay, the next one, until extend, is also similar for until selector. If we select any face, so the extrude will be extend until the selected face. Okay, then next one, throw all. This option, the extrude will be extruded through the next object fully. Okay, the next one, Boolean operation, I will explain one by one. The first one is unite. If I choose unite, so the extrude and the next solid body will be united. Double click. If I choose subtract, so then select body, I select this body, so the new extrude object subtract from the major solid body. that means the selected body. If I select this body, so the extrude will be subtracted from this body. For example, click OK, it will be subtracted, right? OK, and double click edit. OK, the next one, intersect. If I choose intersect and select this body, so the new object will be created. That means intersect object will be created between these two objects. For example, if we select OK, this is the new intersect object. OK, then next one, invert. I make another one extrude. I will explain for invert option. Sorry, right click edit, double click for edit, change to none. OK, I make another one sketch, insert, sketch in task environment, select this face. OK, I make one circle. OK, right click, finish sketch. Insert, design feature, extrude, select this curve, then boolean option, invert. If the new extrude outside of the solid body, it will be united. So the two solids will be united. Right click edit. In case the reverse direction, that means if the extrude inside the solid body, it will be subtracted. I change the direction, reverse direction. I choose invert. So it will be subtracted. Okay. I will extend 170 mm. So it will be subtracted. So it is the invert option. Okay, boolean finished. The next one, draft. I will make another one extrude. I will sketch. I will explain. Insert, sketch in task environment, select top plane. Okay, here I make one rectangular. Right click, finish sketch. Then go to extrude, select this curve. Okay, boolean change to none. I just extrude 250 mm. 250 mm. I extrude symmetric value, two side also. Okay, then go to draft. The first one is start limit. In this option, the extrude will be drafted from this start point. This is the start point of this object, right? So it will be drafted from this start point, 2 degree. If we change 5 degree, it will be 5 degree drafted from start point. Okay, then choose section. In this option, the solid body will be drafted from the curve, selected curve. Okay, we change 10 degree. So the draft from this curve. This is a single. If I choose multiple, I can change each face different draft angles. This is minus 2 degree, this is minus 45 degree, this is minus 20 degree. So I can change different draft angles if I choose multiple. Okay, thank you. Next one, from section asymmetric angle. So I change to single. So in this option, and top side and bottom side, you can choose different angles. So this is the from section asymmetric angle. In case if you want change each face values, you can choose multiple. So you can change each face different angles. Okay, right click, fit like that. Okay, the next one, from section symmetric angle. In this option, top and bottom, the draft will be equally drafted. If I choose the next one, from section matched ends, it's also similar with symmetric angle. If I change the top edge value minus 30 degree, it means bottom end also similar with top end, is also similar with symmetric angle. Okay, I change to now. Okay, then next one is offset option. If I choose single side, the extrude will be offsetted one face only from this curve 5 mm. If I want 10 mm, I can change 10, 50, so it will be offsetted from that curve. Top view, I said top view. Okay, so it will be offsetted one side only. If I choose two side, from it means the curve will be offsetted from that curve. You can change start and end values also. Now start value 0, right? If I change 50 mm, so the extrude will be offsetted from that curve, start point 50 and end point 150. Okay, the next one symmetrically. In this option, the extrude will be offsetted two side even direction, even distance. If I change 50, it will be offsetted even 50 mm. Okay, thank you. Next one, setting. If you choose solid body, it means a extrude will be created as solid body. If I choose seat body, the extrude will be created as seat body. Now this seat body, so I change to solid body. Now this is a solid. Right click, edit. Okay, it is a just preview option. If you want, you can untick, you can choose. If you don't want, you just untick. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for regular update videos. Bye.